Good afternoon, viewers. As you can see, the ceiling fan has a fault. It's not turning, it's not blowing. So I will test it to know what is wrong with it. It's not turning. It's just giving humming sound. Humming sound. You see, it's turning small, small. I want to turn. So first of all, stay with me. Let us find out what is wrong with it. First of all, I will use multimeter to test the lead, whether it's giving continuity. Just stay with me. Let us find out. So you disconnect the leads, separate the capacitor, and check the fan lead, whether it's giving continuity. There is no continuity. There is no continuity here. There is no continuity. Okay. The capacitor line is not good. The capacitor line is not good. So we lose the fan and see what is wrong with the capacitor line. Just see how I'm losing it. Just a simple work. Just a simple work. Then you lose this one. Then you take this one, the wire. Oh wow. Just wait and see. Follow me up. So first of all, you take this one out. Then you use eight spanner. Use this one. You lose this one. So have you seen the coil? The coil is still good. But let us see this side. Okay, have you seen it's spark here? The wire spark here. So let us know whether we will join it. No, it burn. It burn. Is to rewind. We will rewind it. So have you seen the wire that cuts? It blow here. It blow here. So I will join the wire to see if the fan will still work. Just stay with me. So we will make a solder here. We make a solder. So we have made the solder. So we use this gun to hold it. So now we will check the continuity again and see. So so the continuity is now okay. The continuity is now okay now. The 3 wire is now leading the continuity. Then let us couple the fan. I have completed the work. Let us couple the fan and see what the result is. Let's couple the fan and see what the result is. Let us see. it will give me 100% operation. So let us run a test. Okay, let us run the test and see what the result will be. Just wait and see what the result will be. So I will take it like this. You see, it's working now. It's working. Thank you for watching. Please do subscribe to my channel. Anytime I drop any update, you will see my new update. Thank you.